There we go. You guys hear me now? My mic wasn't working. Hopefully everybody's doing good. There we go. Okay. Cool. Let me get this set up. There we go. Good morning. Live. Twitter. Live. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I went live for a quick second, but my microphone wasn't getting picked up. Anyways. Apple, okay. Let me tell you, that watch list printed yesterday. Unfortunately, I did not catch... What did I tell you guys to watch? I told you guys to watch Meta, Nvidia, Tesla, Shopify. Tesla and Shopify absolutely printed. I didn't trade them. But, you know, if you caught them, good job. I ended up trading QQQ twice. Again, both beautiful trades. So now, you know, looking at the market today, we're at that very key level, that weekly 21 EMA, super important. So we have CPI dropping in 7 minutes. Hey, thank you. But yeah, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 130 people up in here, 40 likes. Make sure to click the like button if you guys do want to watch this. Let me get live on TikTok real quick for everybody over there. But yeah, how'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades. How did y'all do? Let's see. Actually, how about this? What do you guys think about CPI? We going up? We going down? Why is my stand being like this? Hold on. Made money on SPY. QQQ printed. Yes, it did. There we go. Boom. Go live on the TikTok. Perfect. Down. What are you down? Oh, I see what you're saying. You're saying CPI is going down. Let's do a poll. We'll find some setups. There's a high probability they'll invalidate from CPI. Let's see. CPI poll. Higher. Lower. Yeah, remember, like I said, if the US dollar continues to go down, the market is going to go up. And I gave you guys that US dollar price target like 2.5 weeks ago. Maybe even 3 weeks ago. And it hit it to a T and then dropped like a dime. So now we're at that 50% retracement. This is going to be a level to watch, 107.71. If we dip below there, I'm going to be watching the 61.8 at 106.98. If we bounce there, you know, the market might end up pulling. But yeah, we got to pay attention to the internals. Yeah, we got CPI and all this other, you know, economic news that comes out. We have Jay Powell coming out. I think it's next week. But yeah, we have all that. But the internals are going to tell us everything that we need to know before the news even comes out. One thing I would watch would be the 10-year yield, though. Got a nice weekly squeeze on that. So weekly squeeze, we probably pull back to that 8 or 21, and then it releases up. I'm looking for 3.76, which is going to put mortgage rates, the 30-year, roughly at 7.5, if anybody's looking at houses. Let's see. How's everybody doing over here on the TikTok? How's everybody doing in the YouTube live stream? But yeah, we got CPI in 4 minutes. We can look for some setups, but like I said, there's a high probability they're going to invalidate. So let's see what we got today. Get the squeeze list. Get the day trading watch list. Bingo. 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Come on. There we go. Let me get rid of that. All right, let's start at the top of the list, which was Apple. Again, if you guys are in the YouTube live stream, make sure to click that like button. 213 people up in here, only 80 likes. Remember, we're running up to 150 likes if you guys want the watch list. And remember, I go live every single morning at 8:15 a.m. Eastern time and give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you guys are subscribed, especially if you like making money. Let's see, 30 minutes. And then, real quick, while we're chilling here, seeing what we like for the day. In case you guys did not know, my new trading book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, is officially on Amazon. So if you guys would like to pick yourself up a copy, make sure to do that. If you guys already have a copy, make sure to send me a screenshot on Instagram so I can get you guys into the Discord for the book. I just dropped my new day trading strategy specifically to book members only. So if you guys want to hop in, again, send me a screenshot of your receipt and I will put you guys in. Anyway, so I like Apple. Again, very high probability that it invalidates. So we'll just put it on here for now. Abivai looking for the swing. Let's see how Airbnb did yesterday. Airbnb, nice little pump. Let's see, it pumped right up to that neckline. Cool. So keep a very close eye on that. What else we got? AMD. How we doing over here on the TikTok? How's everybody doing? We got 120 people up in here. How is everybody doing? Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, I just use basic support and resistance in my person's pivots. AMD. Not really interested. Amazon, we got 40 seconds. Let me pull up the futures. QQQ, Amazon, get ES up there. Alrighty. What we thinking? We got a pump or are we gonna dump? One minute. Actually, not even a minute. 10 seconds. What we gonna do? Thank you guys for following over here on TikTok, as well as clicking that like button. Greatly appreciate it. Where are we going? Where are we going? I love when CPI drops. It's so crazy to look at. Let's pull up the dollar. Dang. All right, I don't even know the data yet. We're just tanking. I don't even know the data yet. Still waiting on it. We are getting railed. But guess what? That should put the tick at negative 15 to 1700. So we do got to play. And you want to know what's even crazier? Right before the CPI data, the Dixie hit the 50% retracement, never fell below it, and there goes Dixie. Pretty crazy, right? Technicals always hit before news even comes out. Let's see. CPI 0.1%. 0.1% month over month. Expectation negative 0.1%. CPI core 0.6% month over month. Expectation 0.3%, so double over expectations. CPI 8.3% year over year. Expectation 8.1%. And then CPI core 6.3%, expectation 6.1. Cool. So 10 years moving. Again, we got that weekly squeeze. Remember, we talked about that. US dollar making the 50% retracement. Amazon hitting the 61.8% retracement in the pre-market and then dropping the way it did. So, what an interesting way to start the day, huh? Again, make sure you guys click that like button. Let's find some setups and we will go from there. Cool. I'm looking for calls off the open. Usually when we tank like this, we get the tick to open up at like -15 to -1700. They got to at least pump it to 0. That's just what the tick does. So it's looking like calls off the open with SPY and QQQ are looking higher probability as long as we just chill out at this area. But let's go back to Apple. Slaughtered. Airbnb probably got slaughtered. Amazon got slaughtered. Right at the 61.8. Clorox. I'm also watching Bookmap. There's really no buyers. Oh, question. Anybody who's using Bookmap, what's the updated futures for it? Because I just have ESU 22 and that expires September, I think it's like September 22nd. So somebody was telling me the reason why my Bookmap's been weird is because people are rolling into the next expiration. I just don't know what it is. So if anybody knows it, please drop it in the chat so I can get it pulled up. Let's see, Disney, right to that monthly pivot. Don't really care about Ford. You sent me a panda, thank you. I don't know what a panda does, but Ford slaughtered. Video. Well, I might not even have a watch list today. Where we drop down to 140. QQQ. ESZ22. ESZ. Thank you. You're a goat. Let me see if they are trading it. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Get rid of the other one. There we go. Bingo. Yeah, EZ22 or ESZ22. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Clean this chart. So honestly, what I would like to see is if QQQ can chill out in this area, I'm going to see what happens with the tick. I'm going to be watching QQQ and SPY. Those are my, ideal setups because I know how to use a tick. If you don't know how to use the tick, then definitely do not trade SPY and QQQ off the open. It's going to be very, very high risk. I'm not telling you guys to take it. I'm just saying, what I've done in the past. So that's something I'm going to be watching is for that bounce. If we do end up breaking below the pre-market low at 403, then we're more than likely going to go lower. But we have to chill in this area. If we end up bouncing and going back up to like 407, 408, 410, whatever, the tick, it's going to be lower probability. So I probably won't trade it at that point. So we need to chill at this area for now. Now, yep. Like I said, Dixie made the 50% retracement and boom, gone. Anyways, so QQQ, SPY, gonna be watching those. Tesla. How many people we got over here? 261 people, 120 likes. Remember, make sure to run up that like button. It would mean the absolute world to me. Remember, I go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. So if you guys are not joining, I don't know what to tell you. You're missing out big time. And you want to know what's even crazier? QQQ hit that weekly 21 EMA with the squeeze. We talked about it. So remember, weekly 21 with the weekly squeeze. More than likely, this is going to be the area it drops. So that was 312.20 or 312.36. We slightly broke above it in the pre-market, and then boom. But other than that, I mean, honestly, this CPI just kind of screwed all that up. Let's see what's going on with Oxy. Might just be a day that we kind of wing it, to be honest with you. Amazon. Yeah, I think we're gonna wing the watch list today. Yep, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're winging it. Usually I have a full watch list for you guys, but that kind of screwed everything up. Okay, so watch list for today. SPY and QQQ. I will be using my tick rule. With the tick, if we open negative 1500 to negative 1800, more than likely they will pump the market. And I'll show you guys exactly how to use a tick once I type this out. They will pump the market until tick is at 0, or it will consolidate until 0 and then drop. For me to be interested, we need to find intraday support, and I will see what to do from there. This is super high risk, so if you don't know how to use tick, avoid the trade. Looking for intraday setups. Okay, so basically with the tick, this is how I use it. I only use it when we where is it? There it is. I only use it when we gap down or gap up. So the tick is this right here. Typically what happens is, news events, whatever it is, if we open, way down here, the idea behind the tick is it constantly comes back to 0. What the tick does is it measures how many stocks are going up versus how many stocks are going down. That's the simplest way to put it. So you can see that I have 1400. That's like the max that I'm going to be looking for to the upside. And then I have negative 1500, which is the O. I'm not going to cuss on YouTube because they'll probably flag me. But you can see it, my O blank zone. So when we open down here, that's 1, because we gap down, but 2, more than likely, like you can see that we open negative 1600 ticks here. Negative 1650, negative 1600. And all 3 times, what happened? The tick pumped until we got to 0. So if this is pumping, more than likely stocks are going up with it. That's exactly what the tick rule is. So I'm watching it off the open. If we open down here and I have a solid support level with a very good risk to reward, I'm going to be looking for calls, and I'm going to be looking to take this thing back close to 0. If I can get 0, that would be perfect. That's exactly what I'm going to be looking for today. Nothing else off the open. That's it. But like I said, we need to stay at this current level that QQQ and SPY are at. We cannot pump back up. We have to sit here. And I mean, other than that, the 10-year yield's going crazy. That weekly squeeze is saying, yeah, we're firing up. Again, we talked about this a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. More than likely it sees 3.76, which is going to put your mortgage rates at 7.5 on a 30-year, roughly. And then the US dollar hit the 50% retracement to a T and never fell below it. Like, what, 3 cents below it? And now we're all the way up here. Damn, imagine if I went long on that. Whew. That'd be crazy. But honestly, that's all I'm watching. Where can you learn to trade? Head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, exactly where I'm going live right now. If you guys want to, actually see my screen, I know on TikTok you can't really see it, but if you actually want to see it live, head on over to my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. And also check out my book, The New Age of Technical Analysis, on Amazon. 450 pages if you want to learn more about my strategy. So everybody in the YouTube live stream, again, if you guys want to learn, make sure to check it out. Boom, 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 boom. 5-minute on the tick. Just means that the Dixie hit the 50% retracement. Remember, when Dixie goes up, market goes down, vice versa. So it's one of those days. If the market does not give us a trade, what do? We simply don't take a trade. The market's open tomorrow, it's open Thursday, it's open Friday, it's open all day, or 5 days next week, 5 days the following week, etc. You don't need to trade today. You don't need to trade every day. But let's see. Yeah. So, I mean, that's all I got. I don't got nothing else today. So, if you guys want, make sure to click the like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Also, make sure to subscribe. Like I said, go live every single morning, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. I'm sorry I don't have a watch list today, but typically every day I have like 3 to 4 stocks to watch. The news, however, kind of screwed all that up. So, we'll see what we get today. Yep, cash is always an option. Sitting on your hands is an option. If I don't get a setup, I am perfectly a-okay not taking a trade today. I can go do 1,000 other things than sit here and stare at a screen. But it is Mama Carhorn's birthday today, in case anybody was wondering. I'm gonna go spend time with her later, give her a nice little gift. And yeah. So if you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys probably in like 30 minutes. But right now, I mean, really, I got nothing else. I just want to see what happens. So if you guys want to join Team Bull, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, use any of my affiliate links for anything. Here's a link for that as well. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, other than that, everybody have an amazing day. And yeah, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow, 8:15 a.m. Eastern time. Everybody.